It usually
Stream
would take me.
elements.
Oh, there we go.
Dewey Hung 2H is now live. Streaming software and game development. Let's hack my viewers live on stream. New alert. New TTS.
I don't know what's up with YouTube and it being able to not live. But we'll wait for a few seconds. Hello, 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 hello. So probably it's live now. So sup you beautiful bastard. Hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. And this is me, your friendly neighborhood Vietnamese here. How you guys doing today? And today it will be a little bit of a different stream. Let's just say today I don't have the mood for any video games, but I will do a little bit of programming stream instead. So apart from this one experiment stream that I will be having. Don't know how ethical it will be, but mostly the stuff I will do just for pranks and funs. I don't know how ethical it would be, but if it comes to anything, then I would unleash my stream afterward. But I suppose I will have to explain this first. So in the background, if there isn't anyone who's chatting, and this stream would be a kind of a hit or miss, depends on how much interaction I would have in this stream. But if you are a viewer, you can tell me, and my chatbot will just gonna send a little bit of message on the chat, and you can click on them to get high, quote unquote. Even though there would be some kind of message like that on the Twitch channel, right? So I need to set this up a little bit first. What would it be? Like I put the link on there. I will get the link from my GitHub. So I managed to create so I need to explain how this works first. So I managed to create a GitHub repository called this project right here. Got something set up, and basically one address will reference this file, and as you can see, it's just gonna go to a specific link, and this is one of the API that I have made. Grabify is like one of the API that's basically free for you to grab. So what that API does is to it will log your internet service provider IP. Don't be worried, it's not like your own IP. It's like your internet service provider IP. Oh, there's some ping in there. What the heck? It would just be your internet service provider IP, but I wouldn't reveal any IP in this stream if I manage to grab one. But there is an individual, although I wouldn't show the screen, right? I need to blur this off. There is one individual during off stream. They kind of click at my link through the queuing stream that wasn't going on, right? But there was an individual who visited the video before and clicked on one of my links, and he's basically from Bosnia. Don't know if he find it amusing that on the thumbnail of my YouTube stream there is like a Bosnian meme. So one Bosnian individual managed to click that link. Just got that figured out. But probably I will open the thing up. Although it would show a lot of different IP in here. There wasn't any individual except that Bosnian individual. So if you want me to if you manage to click my link and get hacked yourself, although I wouldn't reveal any information to any of you, I'm just gonna keep it private. Although you couldn't trust me, right? So I mean, feel free to do it in your own risk, but feel free to trust me. Even though I might not sound reliable right now, but regardless, you have the full consent to not click on the link or not. I will leave that link on under the description or in the chat window right now. So it just mostly this stream will be hit or miss, and it would just be programming on the background. And if any individual manage to catch my stream, they will be free to have a chit chat, right? Like if you haven't know my stream, like I often do a chit chat and stuff like that, and just talk about whatever. Also, there's something about my EU4 saves that it got a bit corrupted and it keep crashing, so I might need to fix that before I continue with the EU4 content. But it's just gonna be mostly me programming in the background. I'll leave a link to the hacked content in to the thing in general, so you could click on it and see if your it wouldn't give any feedback to your computer. It would just gonna be the API grabbing a bunch of your computer's info. Not really any delicate material. It's just gonna be. Why isn't this one showing chat? Like, what the heck? Why cannot I chat in here? Oh, I can leave a chat to my OBS, so I could leave it like this. Probably the stream will catch on with that.
Dewey Hung 2H. http://github.peak.link/2rmh.
So yeah, if you click that link,
the virtual Vietnamese cat.
Yes, gonna wait for the TTS lady.
http://github.peak.link/2rmh.
Yeah, so if you click that link, then feel free to shout me out, or say hi or something. I'm just gonna leave a message as well.
Dewey Hung 2H. If you click that link, feel free to shout me out or something, say hi. Dewey, the virtual Vietnamese cat. If you click that link, feel free to shout me out or something, say hi. Dewey Hung 2H.
And we pin that. Well,
we'll banter in the chat as usual. I will not reveal any delicate information. You can trust me. Dewey, the virtual Vietnamese cat.
Let me.
We'll banter in the chat as usual. I will not reveal any delicate
and
information.
To refresh my Twitch window. I will just leave it to forever. Right. Just gonna pin that message. So yeah, it's just gonna be like that. I am just explaining the rules altogether, or we'll banter in the chat, as usual. If I manage to figure out something to talk about, then I should banter with you all about that as well. I don't know. But for now, let's focus on the task at hand. I'm planning to add something like a view count to my article inside my website. If you don't know, I have like a practice project. It's just me doing this for fun and testing stuff. It's about my website, and from there you can click any of my link to visit my social altogether, but I will also do have an article tab that I want to display. So in this article tab, you can actually create a new article, and if you created a new article, then it will get displayed on the list, and if you click on them, you can actually view them in their content. So that's one thing missing from here, is that I haven't added like a view count to each article, so we are planning to add that today. So just adding view count to a different article together. If you click on whether you log in or not, or whether who are you or not, if you click on the article, it should add like a one view to the article. So that's just gonna be this stream is just gonna be me figuring how to do that. I mean, just gonna build that all together. But feel free. This stream will be hit or miss anyway, so I wouldn't say like I wouldn't care about that much. So it's just gonna depend on how you interact with my. Oh, I just realized that my mouth movement doesn't work in my virtual model. Probably need to relaunch that. As usual, I think sometimes it's just the program that got bugged out. But it would feel weird when my mouth isn't moving, so just gonna fix that. Or you need to relaunch all of them at once. I don't know if this playlist is quite copyrighted, but for now, copyrighted content, I mean, it's just for testing, but in the future it would have some effects on my channel, so I could mute them if it happens to be copyrighted. Probably it works now. Just get rid of those pop-up quick. I have to do this every time. Like a bit tedious. So it's just gonna be a little bit of fun how I do things. Like that thing was I'm not really a hacker, so it's just a disclaimer. I'm not really a hacker, so I cannot do shit with the information the API would give me, so you can trust me with that kind of perspective. I'm solely a web designer for now, but it's just one of my fun projects that I have in the background. Saying if I could actually figure out where you live and stuff like that, so feel free to click on the content, and then it will show to me where you live, and once you click it, feel free to give a hi to me on the chat or something. We're gonna banter with about different stuff, or just say hi to me in general. You don't need to do that, but it's just gonna be fun in general. What was I trying to do? Oh yeah, close all of this. Gonna create like a new article or new function. I test it because I'm getting rusty with this kind of React language. So it is just gonna be sorry, need to drink some water. It was just gonna be something like a update article about data article view counts, something like that. Although I would want to copy something from like there is one function that I could copy it from, like a not add example Something like a update article. That seems like an idea. Add new IP. Let me check. Let me check things a bit. I mean, I obviously programming a stream wouldn't be fun of a content because I'm just gonna take things in my own pace, right? But oh well, you can actually you can I guess today is gonna be a hit or miss stream or be a fun or be just a chill stream in general. Just gonna be not me playing video game. Just gonna be developing my passion project, even though it's more like a practice than anything else. The QIP. What was it again? Like the article. It should be one of the article component. Should be something like not article. I was talking about the view article probably. There's a like. If you can recall correctly, right, there is like a star. There's like a star interaction. So if you refresh this, the star should stay, and that basically counts as one of vote. Essentially, I do actually use like an ISP. Probably your IP would refresh. You know, there's a thing about IP. The IP you take from your ISP provider will get refreshed like every single day. So obviously I cannot just fetch your IP and then call it a night because it will get a refresh every day. So like that. I'm not that professional about knowing stuff like that, but I just feels like it would be something like that. Just some disclaimer. So don't feel too bad of clicking the grab IP kind of thing. But I will not even I will not even reveal your details to the whole world. I'm just gonna vaguely say web series from you from the world, and if you want to figure that you want to share that with the world or you want to share it with me, you can click on the link and it will automatically log some stuff to me. I mean, it's not like I will review it or sell it to anyone or anything. So, I mean, you can trust me however you like, but I was just gonna say that as a disclaimer. Well, this stream will be hit or miss for sure, but I know it from the start, so I wouldn't expect anything. Now, where were we? So it was something from the start. I guess I will inspect it instead, so I will see the component's name. Probably not that thing, because it's kind of vague if you play with React content, right? Let's view this again. Back to article list, edit article. Oh. Back to article list and edit article. Oh, it's when you click on the thing. Okay, I kinda forgot where I put my things. Probably I need to comment things a bit better. Kind of forget where I put that, like publish pages. View article component, probably. No, not that. Oh, not that either. There we go. You can actually see my headband, but it's pretty light, I feel like. What was it again? No? Yeah, I remember it was this, but the way I put it is so messy, I feel like. So messy. Speaking of messy, I'm not the kind of guy who care much about World Cup, but I see people during this World Cup, people talk about him all the time. Probably cut content then. Yeah, the like button is over here, like, damn it. Always forget where I put things. Sorry about that. So from here I'm gonna do something that will show the sorry about that, correcting verbs and stuff like that, because I just ate. But yeah, I will add something like a view count, but view count section like at the right corner of the every article item, something like that. It's gonna be a something like article object. Although, how would you display it on a outside like this? Few counts. Would it works or would it not works? Why are there errors? Alright, so you can see the views right there. 0 views. Although I forgot to update this one, this article viewer or something like that. Need to check back on that. You know, it was just gonna be a typical programming stream. It would get boring for a lot of you, but if you are a programmer, please let me know. We could discuss about different things about programming. If you are a programmer, feel free to talk to me or banter with me. Or if you would like to me to banter about history in general, as usual in my channel, you can always say hi to me. Banter about anything possible. Let me see about the database. Yeah. View count, this one has it. Probably this one doesn't have it, but yeah. Let me know if the audio issues is fine, by the way. Always need to check that. It's like one thing that viewers have to point it out for me, or I need to check that myself. Alright. Let me refresh on the data point a little bit. Where's the thing? God damn it. Need to open it again. Although a weird icon, I don't know, for some reason. Just gonna put it on there, I think. Let me check if anyone's. Although I would have to hide this every time, but every time if there's probably I will put it on to a different tab like this. So probably I will hide this screen for now because Grabify has a lot of information on it if any of you clicked. Although I haven't seen anyone click on my link just yet, but don't feel free to click on that link. But, and you can trust me on how I keep your data safe and stuff like that. Or there would be some kind of brief skin. Don't want anyone to see that. What the heck? Even though those IP would have been safe, I feel like. Just gonna be a usual. I think the ISP kind of mask IP very well, so you could trust me on your ISP protecting your identity. Probably. I'm not that sure about the IP login stuff in general as well, but it's one of my fun, one of the fun thing that I've done, and it's just gonna be a little bit of trolling at the end of the day. We do a bit of trolling around here, just gonna lock your ISP IP. Yeah, we do a bit of trolling. Yeah, the view is on there, but I want it to be centered on the right section. Probably will search on Google again. Probably I want to see if we have those kind of stuff. Place container. Probably just tie. Probably just tie it. We'll use bootstrap. Oh, Mosfa. There's a jam right here. Although I will put it as span, I guess. There we go. We put it on the right section. I mean, coding is fun. Don't judge me on that. Now we're just gonna to build a new function. Right, every time I'm planning to build something close to the, like when you click the like button and stuff like that, it would get triggered. So as you can see here, like it's gonna be a check like. Get local storage IP data. Oh, that's like the number in general. But let's check the like thingy. If we click on change like, there would be some sort of function like this. Gonna update the IP data. Update article. Set item IP data. Yeah. Set like, and we're gonna update the thingy. Yes. I mean, I'm still an amateurish programmer, so you have to bear with me. I'm not really a pro programmer, so it's just gonna be me going through my own problem. It's just not gonna be a tutorial or professional programming stream, so I just wanna be one of the disclaimer. I need to comment on things more, like I do comment a little, as you can see. gonna set like on that. And what is the IP data? Update IP data, that should be the function. Yeah, in the article thingy. So I guess IP data, since that it had been a long time since I touched this project again, so I need to refresh myself. So probably we have something like IP data on there, right? And the unlike article is just gonna be different IP liking different articles. Wait, what? Really? Just gonna be a 1, 2. Wait, is this a leftover? Cannot record. Oh, something could have broken, who knows. So, you know, anything good, be good, be chilly, be Gucci, be Tamaguchi. So probably I need to find something like update article. Not really. I wouldn't say. I don't think anything should use update article, right? Oh yeah, the like button. I see. So probably we use the update article again, since I want to figure out the like button mechanic. So I guess they do actually use the update article function. But what happened if there's gonna be 2 people update article at the same time? Well, there's gonna be probably you need to refresh the article from the article thing. Probably I did make something like that. We're just gonna hope that I did something like that. Who knows? And if someone click on it, that would be another update of article, or could be something like. I guess we're just gonna fetch the article from the article ID we got and then update the article that way. So I don't have like a concrete API. I use a file-based API, so I wouldn't need to write my API by Node. But well, if you use file-based API, there's gonna be there needs to be something like some kind of get around with the thing. You need to make some sort of get around with the whole system. I don't know how to put this again. Gonna reformat the file as well. When I click on the article, yeah. Just gonna search for a new article. I guess not anyone came to the stream so far, but if you visit my stream, feel free to say hi. I mean, programming content wouldn't be like your kind of thing, but we can also banter about history. Like just so you know, like we can banter about anything. It's just gonna be a fun stream and a chill stream, like just talking, like just chatting. Just gonna be like just chatting, if you don't mind that. And a fun idea in the background as well. But a hit or miss stream for sure. Although, where's the view thingy? I guess I will use alert to figure that out, right? They did get article list, so probably not. Let's just check on the thing. When I click on the article like button, where's the like button again? Oh, there it is. Just gonna get background panel like this, right? Get article component. I guess that should be it. And we're gonna alert just so you know. Probably we'll alert on a visual shifted to a default position. Probably that would be the thing. Gotta get rid of that alert now. What was the message again? Article page. That's not the thing. This one, I think it should be this one. There, an alert popped up, so we do know that it is this one for sure, right? I just recomment it. I clicked on it. It's gonna show this. Now, if we add our alert in, gonna show this. We'll back it out and click on the thing again. Though it wouldn't show a second time for some reason. It refresh the thing altogether. And there's some alert and alert because the alert is kind of outside, I feel. And that is the get article component altogether. But if you click on one article, it should be this component, right? And alert just popped up, and once you click on it again, alert should pop up again, so we can confirm that it is the view article thingy. So what we do is we want to get article as like a thing, and then return it with one more view. Do I have any get article by ID? Probably I do have. Probably I don't, so probably I need to. Probably I haven't even considered that. So probably something like get article list as well, but you need to get article assigned to it. I think it would be a kind of bloat if you do it that way, but oh well. I think it would still be fast because I don't have any article, you know, not a lot of article anyway for now. Obviously we can just now we're just gonna do something like this. We're gonna pass the list into that, but obviously we are not, right? We want to get the article immediately from the server, so we're just gonna do it like this. Just gonna call the function outright. I think that's good. So I just see the process behind get article is. We need to put some weight into it. Like that. And then this is a pyramid, by the way. The pyramid of doom. I don't know if we need the pyramid of doom for now. What is this fetch data thingy? We're just gonna copy this entire thingy. Oh, not really that one. Oh, the pen is from here. So we're just gonna get the list data from there. I've been thinking about something like adding song requests into a stream like this. Probably if I want to do a chill stream like this in the future, but it's probably a pretty hit or miss instead of me playing a game, right? You always know me through me playing games, not by programming like this, but you know, just gonna have a few more interaction when it comes to things. Obviously, stream like this needs some interaction too, but it's like one of my idea for now. Yeah, even though this idea would be better if you have like a sizable viewer base, but well, for now it's like I just came up with that idea, so I want to test it out first before it's like being a thing for me. Get the list data and then get the ID from here. And then from the get rid of this try thingy altogether. Where is the and then do a for loop. I almost forgot how for loop works. We could just do a quick Google search. Right. Article. Data. Why is this red? Article is not assignable to type article. Probably just do it like this. We could just make it question mark like this way. Not really. Nah, I just leave it like that for now. We can do something like sorry. We're gonna do some alert. it's gonna be something like although I could do something like what did I do, like other thing, article page. We're gonna just display a thing like that, so I would recognize me. Article page like this. Display alert info pop up. That is one of the component in AntD. AntD, I mean, one of the free component on AntD library. To display an information message, and for alert message you have to click on the OK button for it to move out. So it's kind of like a bottle, right? We're just gonna display like an information dialog like that. I think it's easier. Just gonna be an article ID, I think. We'll import this thing as well. There we go. So it's pretty undefined, huh? Well, you need to... it could happen, it could not happen, right? So, need some countermeasures for that. Maybe put it something like this. But it could work. So we're gonna call this component, yes. We're gonna call it like we call Rebecca Black. Friday, gotta get that Friday. It's Friday. Although I kind of forgot the song. So each time we view the component, that's the thingy again. This one. So it's gonna display the article. String identifies not assigned to a type number. Okay then. Well, it's gotta be string for now, right? Well, for TypeScript it's different from JavaScript. The rule is a bit stricter, but I prefer stricter rules so I could see what's going on. An example. This one has a number, as you can see. Well, we're gonna get if anyway. If article data dot, we're gonna do a asterisk like this. We'll get the ID equals ID equals ID. That ID appears to be unintentional because string number have no overlap here. I guess we're gonna turn this into a string, and it has to be optional as well. So it's gonna be an article type number. Although I did manage to change it. Alright, it got updated. Okay, that has ID 2. That is ID 4. So you can see that it's working now. This ID 5. This ID 3. There we go. This ID 6. Should be simple enough, right? Although I haven't seen anyone join yet. I would say, like I have said in the beginning, this streamer is kind of like a hit or miss. But feel free if you want to banter with me about history. And probably I need to promote something as well. Probably I need to promote it because we are not getting any viewers. Well, I do you know, what I was saying, like, I will shamefully admit that I post my thing on here, so people would get the memo to join me doing all sorts of stuff. But it's just one channel for just promotion only, so I wouldn't feel that shameful. Probably people who like many different things gonna see my shit anyway. So for those who are interested in programming, they will stay. Or for those who are interested in history gaming, they will stay. But we get all sort of people from there, from that kind of interaction. But what else was I trying to do? Just refresh the whole thing like this. Check the view count, yes. Check view count and update one into it. Where's the update thingy? Alright, so gonna get one view count, right? And then we're gonna have a new article. Equals article data, just so we wouldn't mess it up, right? And then we are done. Well, we will make this a separate component for now. Just so you know. And we'll get another component called update article view count. Why not, right? Or we could get the article by ID and then write our article. Well, it'll get messy that way, but we'll just make it through here. Although I should comment things a bit better. I would need to update the comment. How do you copy the... It's gonna... Nah, just like that. Cannot really declare variable. Okay then. How do you highlight it? Let me check how do you highlight comment. God damn it, this wire's getting up in the way. God damn it. This wires. Need to do this. Right. Not this one. Right. What is this? Comment to a... Alright then. Not really. Place like this? Not really. Don't know, don't even remember how you do that. We're just gonna search TypeScript highlight comment. What's the syntax anyway? Probably we're just gonna get param like this. How you like them apples? Still idea parameter to fetch cannot export variable, cannot really declare export variable. Oh yeah, I do have two of them. I'm sorry. For this one I need it to be update article view count like this. It's getting a bit dark around here. I need to readjust my lights. And a list of examples like this. We're gonna not return anything. Probably will fetch the article to here. Let the article, let they read the article and then wait something like where's the update article? There it is. Just like that. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to a view article component and yeah, just do the whole thing. Where did it put it? Okay. Article page. So we're gonna update our one view through here. Update article view by 1. Just gonna do it like that, and we comment it. Get article by ID. Probably get it to get article by ID and get the function update article. House of Iron 4 music, if you do realize it. But in the style of Aiden George. I do like that artist. He do make a lot of synthesized music. Synthwave music, there we go. Update the import. Yeah. We're Gucci. We are really a Tamagotchi right here. Get the article. I'm a type of void, not really assignable. So we're gonna have to be happy to be awaited for now. And let article await equals await. This thing. Let's just wait for the red to go away. I would like it to be perfect. Asynchronous. It has to be an asynchronous process. So probably I have to. Don't know if it will work, but we will try regardless. Async functions, and on top of it's not an async function, is it? Set article view ID. What is this? Oh, it's one of the use state. I call this as a function. Ooh, I'm gonna get copyrighted for sure. Update article view count. I get a view article, stuff like that. Well, you know how it goes. Oh, get the article ID and then we'll fetch. Probably that would be a smarter, I think. We get the ID from the article and then we update it from there. So it doesn't have to be an asynchronous thing, but well, yeah, it's smarter. Even though I already updated it, you know. So we're gonna get a. You have to redo that. Of course. Get article by ID. Right. I'm gonna await that for sure. Should we get article by ID being given to here? You know. And then we're just gonna fix this up real quick. You know, it's a tedious process, but well, what can well, I have to you know, go around the whole system. This song kinda reminds me of another different song. Just saying. What was the song again? Although I got confused after writing somewhere in Wolfenstein, but it's a remix. But it kind of reminds me of another different song. Oh yeah, one of the song you heard in Dragon Nest actually. Let me search that up. It kind of sounds like this song. Dragon Nest. Oh, I do see 2 viewers in my stream, so probably because I open it in a daughter thingy. So I don't know if actually anyone gonna open my stream up. And let's just gonna search for the whole OST. What was the song again? Oh yeah, this song. I think it's pretty similar to this song. Let me see if that's the correct song. Yeah, it is. It is this song. Kinda sounds like this song. I'm just gonna let you hear it. Very beautiful song as well.
We notch our bows and wait for the morrow. Cold is the night and
Guess I feel like that song, right? But there's like a medieval version instead of what we have with the synthesized version.
there is no room for fear. His eyes are cruel, his evil is endless. Black is his soul, and ne'er will he rest till all the world lies covered in
Oh yeah, I need to figure this out. I'll wait and how do I by ID and then just gonna update that article then.
The
Oh, it haven't returned any data. Forgive me. Wait, it didn't, right? Forgive me for my insolence. Void article defined is not a signer. A void article. So I guess we're gonna why cannot I return from there? I would like to know. We can try return, I don't know. Or we will assign a new data to there so we can return that data later. Article wait dot although I cannot fetch it right now, right? I need to assign something. Yes. Although we should get under here, I think. I just don't remember the syntax. Was it like that or like, wait, like this maybe? Or like this? It's just a promise data, so you know. Probably we need a dot then there.
Let songs of your bravery be heard. Lie straight and true, my arrow. The day of destiny comes. I'll follow the path only fate knows.
God damn it. Return article. Try if that works. A beautiful song and all, but let's compare it to this song. Oh, hope you don't see this, by the way. Let's hide it. Oh, got it. click on that one. Like, see if the article view got updated. Oh, it got removed the view altogether. Probably it's like a string now instead of a number. So it has to be a string. Gotta be a string for now. Article. Oh yeah. Probably the update haven't have any article view counts. Probably that's the reason. Yeah, kinda sounds like it, or at least some part. Kinda reminds me of it, right? This stream would be probably unlisted if it doesn't have any interaction. It's a good way, I feel like, because sometimes I feel lazy and I don't want to commit myself to programming. Then I would need to stream like this, so I would get committed myself to do the programming content for you all. Although what did it say? Article page. Update the view count. View count is none. Interesting. View count is 1. View count is none. Right after that is none. For some reason. Bear with me. Update article. So for some reason it's just not putting the thing at hand. Respawn gonna await the fetch article items, the core ID.json. Data is just gonna be a await response. I will get rid of the update for now. Let's see. It is not working as I expected, but this is why you need to have like a low expectation when you program, because it's not gonna work for the first time, and there's bound to be exception. Let's just put it like that. All right. Where is it? That update. Not gonna update it for now. Let's see what's the root cause of the problem. Now view count 1 and then view count 1. It's just mostly on the update part. I do wonder. Just view count 1, right? View count 1. It can fetch the view count at least, but when you update it, it just went to poo-poo. Very interesting. Don't know if anyone came to my stream yet, because if anyone came to my stream, it would be some funny interaction for sure. Say hi in the chat, we are there already. I even pinned my message so people get the idea. What's wrong with update article? Can I lock it or can I display something to there? This by updating article, I mean the respawn is fetching the item, right? And then I'll wait if respawn's okay, something went wrong. So we return the data. Respawn on here. Wait fetch, and I'm gonna put the article content, right? Oh, create article, okay. Let's stringify the create article function. Forgot to check that. Now there should be something in there, in there. And I guess I forgot to put it. I always forget why I put things. Right. Article view count. Just like that, and we can say that problem goodbye. Probably. Just gonna display stuff like that, and we shall uncomment the buggy part, right? See if it fixed. Where's the update article? Update view count, I mean. And uncomment this. That wouldn't work for sure, right? But gonna update this. Okay, view count is now 2. I mean, it wouldn't update just in there right away, right? Even though I could implement something like that, but you have to refresh the page for now. There should be 4 views now. I mean, should I put it on on the single bracket and S in it. But you know, well done, job well done for sure. We added that component in, function in, I mean. Well, yeah, good experiment for sure. And a job well done. How much did I stream? Like probably 1.5 hours. I don't know, probably less than 1.5 hours, and we managed to get that component done. So I guess it's good. I mean, it should be done quicker, but it's just gonna be me going to finding how I do that sort of stuff altogether. And there's bug enough, and there's bugs and stuff, you know. Gonna be refreshing the database. That has article view count for now. This doesn't have it, so I need to re-update it. Just like that, you know, we refresh the thingy, you know. All stuff should have like 0 view, but if you click on it, should update the view count. 0 view, this one have 1 view, you know. Stuff are working, so feel proud of that for sure. Yes, it should be pretty easy, right? Should be pretty easy. So I should specify the page that I'm opening in the query. Future update for sure. Although if you refresh it, no, it didn't got updated, but once you refresh that page, it got updated at least. So probably we'll push this on we'll push this build onto our GitHub right now, so be prepared. Wait, what? I did add all right. We'll push the whole thing in, why not? I think this song is quite copyrighted, right? Ooh, it's gonna be a gashi version. Thank you, sir. Let's see if my Discord have anything. I mean, it's funny, but it's like sketchy, so I want to share with him. Just gonna leave it though, and I don't care much about it. See if he's busy or not. All the stuff I joke, I say were mostly jokes, by the way, so. Not really. That playlist has like a gachi content, but well, when it happens, it happens. Just pretty funny to me. I mean, the way the guy screams and stuff like that. It was pretty funny when it happened. Hands up. Yes, sir. He doesn't really care, alright.
Suck some dick. Your stick in your ass.
I was chilling to this tune, alright. God damn it. And then we need to fireplace. Oh, we need to build first.
Come.
Oh, no, family unbuilt.
Suck some dick. Your stick in your ass.
We're gonna build a project up where listening to some gashi content. Yes, sir.
Come.
I think if you play this stuff on YouTube, it would get quite demonetized. Just so you know. Spear slow when you run the build. Well, we need to get a clean version out. Oh yeah, I need to get rid of the testing stuff that I have done. Like we don't need them anymore, right? Like the display alert, we don't need them, and in the update, we don't need them either. Sorry. Aya. Oh, aya. We'll run the build anyway. Gonna get a Firebase deploy like this. My cam is so scuffed. Anything else I would like to do? Of course, they're gonna slide into my DM, right? Like, no. If you're wondering, by the way, those guys are the people in the promotion channel. Either I just want to promote their stuff in my stuff in peace, but those guys want me to buy their service. Like oftentimes it's just gonna be the guys in Nigeria. No offense, but they want to make some money, so they want to promote your channel up. But I don't like the. I want my view base to be organic, so I don't want to accept that for now. Oh yeah. I need to write it like this: Firebase deploy only hosting. Yeah, and I guess it would get updated now, so let's try it. You can actually Google my website, but it doesn't have any strong SEO, like search engine optimization. So at the first resort, you would get my Twitter, right? Get my Facebook, get my YouTube, but then you will get my actual website. So the search result for the website isn't really quite strong compared to other websites. But at least my website's out there. That's all I care about. Yeah, as you can see, the views the function is there, so that's cool. And though I haven't got rid of all the trash out there, but the view should get updated now, right? Let's see whether it's like so. That one should have 4 views. This one have 3 views. So every time anyone gonna visit my article, the views will get updated. Pretty nifty for sure. Just gonna be like that, right? Well, we can call it early today because I guess nobody joined. But well, I need to think of the next component I should add to this website. Like, maybe I do actually have a lot of things planned out. I don't want you to see this. It's like my private Discord server that I store everything on there, everything secret. Oh yeah, add sticky posts. I've been planning to add something like add sticky posts. But I need to figure it out how I would do something like that. Plus biến mất thì view article. And the edit article thingy. Well, we can do the edit article thingy. But that will take a while to code. I feel like that will take a while to code compared to a component like this, so we cannot finish it in one day, probably. But well, I guess today it's like a failure stream because we don't have anyone to join my stream or to comment. So I would test my virus on them. I mean, quote unquote virus. But regardless, hope you enjoy my programming in general, on how I go through on how I go develop my website using React. So well, like I guess the title of the stream is like that, but we haven't got any interaction today. So well, I'll let myself decide on whether or not do a lazy stream or not. But regardless, for those who watch, thanks you guys for watching. And I hope if you want me to do more programming stuff in general for future content, feel free to hit a like or subscribe to my channel for more, so that YouTube would know that you want more content coming from me. But thanks you guys regardless, and as usual, humanity first, Stay safe, everybody. Gonna be a shorter stream today, and I need to fix my Europa Universalis for game file or save file before I started another stream. Probably I need to do it soon because I don't know how to fix that when it comes to existing save game. But hope you guys will hear more from me soon.